Welcome back to another vlog. So we are here at Cavite State University with Mark and his brothers. Hi brothers.
Hi brother.
Flat yung leaves niya. Buto ng...
Buto apple, tapos pag binuksan mo, may buto ulit.
Ito.
Ayun o.
Ah, yung lumilipad. Yung gumagap.
Lumilipad.
Tinan mo, busy sample lang. Wala kasi sa buo eh.
Puro greens. I love it. Ang palak na malaki, no? May prutas kaya yan? Wala, no?
Wala. Puro buto to sa loob.
Oh.
Ayan o.
Pero yun, dalawang beses ko lang ako nagdidibak.
Ay, ang galing. Galing.
Bye-bye.
May ganyang klase naman sa size ko lang tumutubo.
So I was not able to vlog last night, but we went home sa hometown ni Mark and then we made Graham balls. We finally figured out how to make Graham balls. Diba, B? At nakagawa kami ng madami. Tapos may ginawa akong isa na sobrang laki. Laki na ina. Wala lang. It's so fun. Sobrang love ko talaga dito sa ano.
Ano, badminton na tayo?
Game.
Sige, chase the
Very
loser.
peaceful.
Parang ano parang
Oh,
table
and I'm wearing my new shoes. Look, look, look.
Kahulihan ka magtuturn ha.
Bakit?
So cute. If you watched my new haul video, nandun yung shoes ko.
Wala syempre. Kukunin pa yung rack.
Walang ano doon, walang net.
Anyway, after this, we're gonna go eat goto. And goto is parang porridge ba yun? Be porridge or lugaw. Lugaw na may mga laman-loob. Laman-laman. Yeah. Sama talaga nito. We're now here at the quadrangle.
Let's go.
Ganda! We're now gonna go get goto. Tsaka ano pa yun, later mag-film, we're gonna film another episode for the Dead Hungry series, and it's a highly requested video ano siya, about street foods here in the Philippines. Hi, puppy! So we are here at a local gotohan, and it's basically porridge or lugaw in Filipino. Yeah.
Oh, take out that. Ay, nakalimutan ko pala sabihin kami ate.
Ayan, we have the goto.
Ay, dyan pala kuya.
Goto. Ay, B, may libreng langgam yung goto.
Nasa sa loob?
Ayan o.
Baka sa plastic lang yan.
Hindi, nasa loob talaga.
May lang yan. Ayaw nga no, free yan B. Naku, napakaswerte mo, may
Free ant.
Malinis naman yung langgam.
Oo nga. Malinis na lang sila kinakain mo dumi.
Wala, ang kinakain lang naman nila pagka hindi ng tao.
Oo, tsaka mga ipis na nabulok, mga dagaan.
Oh,
Pandesal, oh. Yung favorite pandesal ko pag mainit.
mga ko'y nasa langit na. At kung di ka makita,
Baliba ka na. Bibili ka ba kuya?
We're buying taho. Yummy. Wait lang. Sa likod kuya kay ano. Yeah. Oh my God.
Winner raffle. 5 weekly draws will happen from November 18th.
30 pesos.
So lahat to, malunggay lang lahat. We also bought some malunggay pandesal. Ayan.
Driver na ito.
Oo, yun yung
Yan yung tayo ka nakikita sa chicks.
Anong kulay?
kulay. Medyo verde. Ewan.
Pumayat ka na ba?
We're here at the, ano to?
Sangge. Christmas. Every Christmas meron.
Wow, ayan. So, parang nila na, ay, ito yung kailangan naman.
NFL.
Hi everyone, we're now here at the place where we're gonna have dinner with Mark's family, and this is called, I forgot, let's go. I forgot. This is what the place looks like. Chef Babylon. Chef Babylon ba yun? Babylin pala. Chef Babylin. Ano yun? Commodore or something. This is their bar or their serving area. Ayan. And then this is what the place looks like. And then yung fan ko kami nakaupo. And if you wanna see the food we're gonna eat, we're gonna do a separate video. It is another episode of Dead Hungry, so just check it out. I'll have the link in the information box. We're now here at Tagaytay. We're gonna go get Starbucks. Right beside Summer Ridge.
Libre niyo ba?
Ow!
Kami ni Lumar. Ay, sabi ng mga bata,